Hello folks, Double Tap here and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a beer review on this little bad boy. I went shopping yesterday and got a couple of these. These are from Aldi and wasn't that expensive, this beer wasn't. I think it was about £1.10, something like that, but it's called Spill the Beans Coffee Porter. A malty chocolate taste with an aroma of caramel and sweet malt. Alcohol 4.4% volume. It's only a 330ml bottle, this one is. I would have liked to have seen a 500ml bring it up to that 1 point mark. That's why I think it was a bit on the cheaper side, but I'd rather pay an extra 10-15 pence and have a full pint, you know. Now, this is a guest brewer of Brain's Brewery, which has been going for over 100 years, and it's by the Great British Brewing Company, and it won a Great Taste Award for 2016. Let's have a look at the back. Spill the Beans Coffee Porter, deep brown porter brewed with real coffee beans. This is an initial roasted malty aroma with notes of caramel, licorice, raisins and some cocoa. The taste is creamy smooth with notes of chocolate, figs, raisins and sweet malts. This writing is so bloody tiny. And there's a bit of bump about recycling, things like that. So I've had this chilling in the fridge, so let's crack it open and have a look. And there's your bottle cap. Great British Brewing Company. Yeah. Okay. Right. Got a bit of gases, not a lot. Okay. Let's get it in our pint glass, but of course we're not going to get a full pint out of this. Want to do. There goes my clock. And it's proper loud. That door's shut. You can still hear it. I had it serviced. I mean, it's an old Victorian carriage clock, but servicing clocks now, the price of them, you could go and buy 10 bloody clocks. But anyway, that's how much we've got out of that, which I'm not too happy about, to be honest with you. I like a pint. I don't want 3/4 of a pint. I want a pint. I'm drinking beer, I'm not drinking pop or squash, so, you know. But anyway, that is jet black. It's a jet black beer, that is. Nice creamy head. It's, I'd say it's a dark caramel colour. Don't think you'll get it too good on there, but we'll give it a try. And the head is quite thick. It is thick and creamy, no two ways about that. Let's have a smell. Okay, very mild notes of Guinness here. I'm not picking up any coffee, caramel, raisins, not picking none of that up through the smell. And very light malt, very light malt. Okay, let's give it a try. Cheers folks. Oh god, yeah. Oh yeah. You didn't get the smell of it, but as soon as you taste it, lovely rich coffee taste. I'm not a fan of coffee, drinking hot coffee, but in a beer, I like it. You've got, you can, on the back note, taste them like raisins mildly, and you can definitely, just as soon as you get that taste of coffee, it's coming into a caramel flavour, and I'm still tasting it now. It's not a horrible aftertaste. It is quite nice. It's like if you had a big hit of summer and it's slowly going down, down, down. You know what I mean? That's nice, that is. That's a lovely pint. Like I said, I've had this chilling overnight. If the temperature got a bit higher, you might get them flavours come out more and you might get the smell come out more, but this is a proper nice pint. Out of 10, it's an 8 all day long. No problem giving that an 8. It's a good one, this is. And like I said, it weren't that expensive, but I think that's down to it being a 330ml bottle size. I want a 500ml drinking this, and this is the type of beer. I don't know if it's a session beer, because I could drink a few pints of it, but if I was going all night or from the day to the night drinking it, I don't think I'd want to drink it all night long. Even though it's a cracking pint, it isn't one of those beers for me. But either way, it's nice. And would I buy it again? Yeah, definitely. It's a nice beer, this one. If you haven't tried it, like I say, I got it in my local Aldi. Not that expensive. I don't go there very often. I had to go to the high street to go to another shop, and the Aldi happened to be next door, so I thought I'd have a look at the beers, see what they had in there. And I've got this one, and I've got a few other ones to try, but you'll see the videos for them anyway. But Spill the Beans coffee porter. If you haven't tried it, give it a go, because it's nice. If you like a porter, coffee, etc., it'll go down a treat, that will. So anyway, folks, I think I'm going to leave it there for this one. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button. Don't cost you anything, and it helps the channel out really, really well with getting the video share out for more people to see it. And I'll catch you in the next episode. I'm Double Tap, and bye for now. Cheers again. Lovely jubbly.